Perched just 120 meters from the shore on the island of Paros in Greece, Kite House is a contemporary home that gracefully responds to its landscape. Designed by React architects, the 313 square meter residence takes full advantage of its polygonal plot and sloped terrain, offering uninterrupted views of the sea and the neighboring island of Antiparos to the west. The home unfolds in a pie-shaped layout, a classic Greek gesture that shields the interiors from strong northern winds while inviting sunlight and sea breezes into the living areas. The plan is organized around a central courtyard, the heart of the home, which forms a direct connection between indoor spaces and the natural surroundings. This courtyard offers both privacy and openness, embodying the Cycladic spirit of balance between built form and landscape. Circulation is thoughtfully integrated into the design through two linear promenades, connecting the main volumes, terraces, and swimming pool. These walkways mimic the feeling of a small traditional settlement, gently descending with the land's natural slope. At the core of the home is the living and kitchen area, situated on the ground floor to maximize sea views. Above it, a two-story volume houses the master bedroom, which projects slightly to the southwest, adding depth to the horizontal composition. Guest accommodations are located on the eastern side of the site, separated from the main living areas to ensure peace and privacy. These rooms are interwoven with courtyards and open spaces, each adapted to the terrain in a way that evokes traditional monasteries or Cycladic villages, where fragmented volumes work together as a whole. Inside, the house remains true to the quiet elegance of its exterior. The furnishings are minimal, with low partitions allowing sightlines to remain open and light to flow freely through the space. The result is a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living, a signature of Mediterranean architecture. Materiality is simple yet intentional. Plastered brick walls painted white, traditional wooden doors and windows, and industrial-style flooring create a harmonious blend of modern minimalism and island tradition. Shaded outdoor areas include white-painted canopies and dark gray metal pergolas covered with natural reed, an understated but effective strategy for creating comfort in the Mediterranean climate. The landscape design mirrors the home's geometry and architectural restraint. Plantings are concentrated within the courtyards, while the surrounding land is left largely untouched. A palette of Mediterranean and xeriscape plants enhances the biodiversity of the region, adding seasonal textures, colors, and fragrances to the site without overpowering it. Kite House is more than a summer retreat. It's a quiet architectural journey, a composition of light, shadows, pathways, and forms that evoke both tradition and modernity. It demonstrates how architecture can humbly settle into the landscape while still creating a powerful sensory and spatial experience.